And as far as I'm concerned, as President of Serbia, who protects and defends the Constitution of Serbia, this is certainly an agreement which is acceptable, fully acceptable. The fact that the SAA would apply to Kosovo is fully understandable, and in the past it was acceptable to the representatives of DSS and Prime Minister Koštunica. Because after 1999, after the agreement of Kumanovo and the UN resolution with regard to Kosovo, there is now international administration, an interim international administration of Kosovo, so the government of Serbia does not participate in the shaping of local policies in Kosovo, and so we can't actually start applying either this or any other agreement on that territory. Had we had an agreement with the World Health Organization or what have you, we wouldn't be able to implement it in Kosovo because our health ministry does not function in Kosovo and Metohija. When we entered into agreements with the World Bank and other international financial institutions, Kosovo was taken out because our finance ministry does not have its offices in Kosovo and we don't operate there. And so from that point of view, this agreement certainly doesn't prejudice any future status of Kosovo.